Hello viewers, I am Dr. Sirisha Reddy, Senior Obstetrician and Gynecologist from Avira Hospitals. Today I would like to talk about puerperium. Puerperium is a state starting immediately after childbirth, lasts till 6 weeks post-delivery. This condition is called as a puerperial period. So today let us know how a new mother, what are the issues, what are the common problems faced by a new mother during this puerperial period. The first and foremost issue is the puerperial sepsis. Puerperial sepsis or puerperial infection. So the most important symptom in the puerperial sepsis is fever. Fever, the body temperature, when it is above 100.4 degree Fahrenheit, at least detected 2 times in a 24 hours apart, is said to be a puerperial pyrexia. Once there is a puerperial pyrexia, it may or may not be associated with foul smelling, abnormal vaginal discharge, or a severe low backache, or a thrombophlebitis or a mastitis. So any such symptoms are there, a new mother should immediately consult a gynecologist and she will explore the site of infection. It can be a wound infection, it may be an episiotomy wound or a cesarean wound or a retained bits of placenta or an endometritis or a urine infection or a mastitis, etc. First the focus of infection has to be explored, will be treated accordingly. The next important issue is the postpartum hemorrhage. The primary postpartum hemorrhage is anyway detected in the hospital stay and will be treated as per accordingly. But the secondary postpartum hemorrhage has to be detected by the patient herself and she has to report to hospital. The continuous excess vaginal bleeding is the most important symptom. It may or may not be associated with sepsis. It can be a coagulopathy problem. So any blood clotting disorders can also lead to secondary postpartum hemorrhage. So this has to be detected by a new mother. The other important issue is the mastitis. So any new mother should have a sufficient knowledge regarding the breast care, feeding technique, feeds on demand. Any problem in this issue will lead to breast engorgement. Breast engorgement, if the milk is not taken by the baby, she has to let out the milk. If she isn't letting out the milk, this milk will accumulate and cause breast pain, or it may even cause the mastitis or leading to breast abscess. Any such condition she has to consult a gynecologist and she will treat accordingly. Then she should maintain a personal hygiene, she should maintain a genital hygiene, she should know a new baby care, and she has to take a high nutritious diet. Along with that, she has to do the Kegels exercises to bring back her pre-pregnant status. Thank you.